Everybody, welcome to the Flutter widget of the week. Today we're gonna be talking about color class in Flutter. So don't worry, I'm gonna post this this side and down below. So in color, you can either use color constant or color from RGBO from RGBO like what I've just used here. Yeah, I've used better RGBO, but I can see remove this one here. You see I have a red, then I'll just add a. So you see when you type it, you're gonna see it the way it's gonna show. You see we have RGB in A, this is integer A, arrow in, you see you have the number in B, all those type of things, color. So this here is opacity, so you can change the colors as the way you want. So this is what I just got here. I have some pure light white here, so when I click on my screen, then I'll just go back. So that is it, guys. The best thing to understand, the best way to understand Flutter is just to do it. It's just a very simple, just type your background. So this is all about it. So for more information, you can read this website. Thanks guys for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you guys.